Welcome back to the Redneck Garage YouTube channel. This is a video that's kind of long overdue. I wanted to tell you guys, times are tough right now. Some people are out of work and they got nothing to do. They got no money to do it. Christmas is coming up. People are frustrated. It's not good. It's not looking good out there. I got the mail backed up. So there's some things that I ordered that ain't gonna be here for a while. At least another week or two. But that's alright. We'll make do with what we got, because that's what we do. Well, I want to take a moment, let you guys know that Redneck Garage, we care about you. We care about all of our viewers, and we thank you for watching and, helping go along with our content, giving us ideas and everything else to do. So if you're one of those people that ain't got nothing to do and you're bored, twiddling your thumbs in your house, it's easy. Go out in your garage if you got one and find something to do. But Redneck, I don't have a garage. I live in an apartment. Well, there's an easy solution to that too. Might make your old lady mad, but see if you can get your four-wheeler through the door and put it in your living room on top of your coffee table and pull the wheels off and grease the wheel bearings and stuff. Maybe change the oil and whatnot. Like I said, your old lady might be mad, but hey, she just got to understand, times are tough right now. There's not much you can do. Or, if that's not a viable option, I got a good idea for you. You can turn on YouTube, select one of your favorite Redneck Garage videos that you can watch, and that'll occupy your time some. But you say, Redneck, my old lady don't like it when she can't watch them woman movies, and I got the TV all hogged up with YouTube with Redneck Garage. Well, you could always go to the neighbor's house, and I bet he'll watch it with you. I get messages about my exhaust all the time. I need to clear a few things up. Redneck, are your dual exhausts fake? Do they just look real? How did you do the other head over there? How did you connect it into your pipe? Well, I do have a video on that. It's called Dual Exhaust for Z-Force. Check that out. But we'll cover it now. So what I did was, let me get you down in there. So you can see, I bought two of these. They were pretty cheap. I believe these are linked down in my video, but I'll try and link them in this one. The dual exhaust, what I did was, this is the pipe where the regular muffler comes out of, and it goes into a Y, and that pipe over there comes in. I did away with that Y. There's there's 4 springs here for the regular pipe, and then back there's 4 more. You want to get rid of those. And what I did was I bought a section of pipe, which is easy to do. I'll link that down below too. But you can refer to my video. It's going to help you a lot. And I made my own section here. And that back head comes straight to this one. I know it's hard to see here, but the front head is actually the easiest to modify. You take your curve coming out of here where your O2 is, and you cut it right on the curve. And then I made a bend, which comes in that pipe, and then I just did an S, is all I did, and into here, and I bolted it straight up. And this side is so close, it actually does shoot flames whenever you have the baffles out. It's pretty cool, actually. And yes, before you say anything, it does run right. It's tuned and everything. It runs great, no problems. And it actually runs a heck of a lot better. And it sounds really good. I'll insert a clip here. let you watch that clip. I'm sure most of you have already seen that clip, but it is the best clip that I have. Also, how did you do your snorkel? Well, you go down there to the Lowe's snorkel supply in the plumbing section, and you get yourself some 2x2 rubber pipe fittings, and then you come out right off of your intake there, your throttle body, and then you just come out, and I just came up, drilled a hole, and I actually have a video that will show you how to do this too. And it looks really nice. But redneck, that takes up way too much bed space. I won't be able to get a cooler back there or a chainsaw back there. I carry a lot of stuff with me. Well, I'm here to show you that it don't take up that much at all, that mod. This is on her machine, and I'm only showing you hers because I got a cooler strapped in here. And oh yes, I have plans for making DIY mounts for the Z-Force for this cooler. That's in a future video. I can put this cooler back there, over here. I can turn it. This cooler is plenty big enough. And it's still got drinks in there that are frozen. So it really don't take up that much bed space. I assure you that I could get an even bigger cooler and my chainsaw back here. And I could still put other things such as tools and all of that. But the best part about this mod, the reason I did it this way, was number one. Flip these up, filter comes right out. Super easy, super fast. No problems at all. Quick and easy. But the main reason was so I could get it out of that fender well, because boy, was cleaning mud around that thing a pain in the butt. That and this channel would get mud just caked down in it. And then every time you'd have to take this apart, you had to spend time to clean it and wipe it all off. Not anymore. I haven't cleaned these filters in over 1,000 miles. I could pop this off here and show you it's clean, but I'm pretty sure I already did a video on that. But before next summer, they will be getting washed and cleaned out just because anyway. Not a big deal. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And I sure hope it brought some cheer to you. I know times are tough right now. It sucks for everybody. Nothing I could do about it. I wish that there was. The only logical thing to do is pack the camper up and go riding somewhere. Oh yeah, you can't. Well, you could get them street legal. You could do that. That's what we did. Redneck, it's too cold to be riding at 65, 70 miles. Get a windshield and a coat. I can't even mess with you guys on that one, because when Santa Claus was riding in here the other day, I have to admit, my pee-pee was cold. I mean, my hands were cold. Whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace out and God bless.